مقتطفات Snippets. Learn Levantine Lebanese Colloquial or Spoken Arabic with useful reading comprehension and questions snippets. صرت أحسن هلأ. I'm better now. حوار بين كريم وناجي بعد 6 شهور. ناجي: شو أخبارك يا صديقي؟ كريم: الحمد لله منيح. ناجي: ما شاء الله شكلك أحسن، بعتقد إنه ضعفان كمان. كريم: نعم مزبوط، وقفت شرب قهوة ودخان، وضغطي واطي هلأ، والسكر كمان، وعم نام منيح، وعم آكل أكل صحي، وعم أتجنب الإرهاق بالشغل. ناجي: بظن إنه عم تلعب رياضة كمان، برافو عليك، شو رأيك بنصيحتي إلك؟ كريم: نصيحة بتجنن، صحتي منيحة هلأ، وصرت أحسن من قبل، ومني بحاجة للمسكنات. حوار بين كريم وناجي بعد 6 شهور. ناجي: شو أخبارك يا صديقي؟ كريم: الحمد لله منيح. ناجي: ما شاء الله شكلك أحسن، بعتقد إنه ضعفان كمان. كريم: نعم مزبوط، وقفت شرب قهوة ودخان، وضغطي واطي هلأ، والسكر كمان، وعم نام منيح، وعم آكل أكل صحي، وعم أتجنب الإرهاق بالشغل. ناجي: بظن إنه عم تلعب رياضة كمان، برافو عليك، شو رأيك بنصيحتي إلك؟ كريم: نصيحة بتجنن، صحتي منيحة هلأ، وصرت أحسن من قبل، ومني بحاجة للمسكنات. حوار is a conversation between Karim and Naji بعد 6 شهور, after 6 months. شهور is the plural of شهر, a month. شو أخبارك? Literally, what are your news? أخبار, news, the plural of خبر. In English, we would say what's up, or what's going on. Yeah is a vocative particle, like oh in English, like oh God, or oh someone. يا صديقي, my friend. Alhamdulillah منيح, thanks God, I'm fine. ما شاء الله. So ما شاء الله is contracted from ما شاء الله. Literally means as God wishes or wants. And we commonly say ما شاء الله as in when we see something nice, we have to say mashallah or smallah, as in bismillah. We say smallah as well, because people generally believe in negative energy and the evil eye. So saying smallah or mashallah is kind of given in Arabic communities. You have to have the blessing of God as well for this good thing to last. شكلك أحسن. شكل is a shape. You might know الأشكال, shapes. شكل is a shape or an appearance. So شكلك, your appearance, أحسن is better. So in English we would say you look better. So شكلك أحسن. بعتقد, verb اعتقد is to think or believe something. بعتقد, I think, بعتقد إنه, I think that you lost weight basically, or you look skinnier. ضعفان. ضعيف means weak or skinny. So it could either mean somebody is weak, ضعيف, or somebody is skinny in Lebanese as well. So ضعفان is the active participle from the verb ضعيف, to become weak or to lose weight. But within this context, it means that he lost weight. So بعتقد إنه ضعفان كمان. I think that you also lost weight. نعم مزبوط. مزبوط means that's right or that's correct. And in standard Arabic that would be مضبوط. But in colloquial we say it with the za. So مزبوط. وقفت شرب قهوة ودخان. I stopped drinking coffee and cigarettes, smoking cigarettes. وضغطي, my blood pressure. ضغط is pressure, so my blood pressure is low. واطي is the active participle as well, from verb وطي, to become low. هلأ والسكر كمان, and also blood sugar. وعم نام منيح, I'm sleeping well. وعم آكل أكل صحي, and I'm eating healthy food. وعم اتجنب, and I'm avoiding, from verb تجنب. So عم اتجنب, I'm avoiding الإرهاق, exhaustion, بالشغل, at work. بظن إنه, I think that, or I believe that. Again, so instead of saying بعتقد, بظن, I reckon, I think that. عم تلعب رياضة كمان. I think that you're also exercising, so we can use عم تعمل رياضة in spoken Arabic. You're doing sports literally, or you're playing sports. عم تلعب رياضة كمان as well. برافو عليك, well done. So we use برافو. شو رأيك literally means what's your opinion. شو رأيك ب, and notice that we have to use the be preposition. So what's your opinion of, or on something. In English you'd say what do you think of. My advice. شو رأيك بنصيحتي. نصيحة, advice, نصيحتي, my advice to you, إلك. نصيحة بتجنن, kind of like saying a mind-blowing or an amazing advice, from verb جنن, to drive someone crazy. You might know the word مجنون is crazy, but when you see something nice in Lebanese you would say بجنن or بتجنن. صحتي منيحة هلأ. My health is good now. وصرت, literally I've become, from verb صار, to become. أحسن من قبل, I'm better than before. بعد is after, قبل is before. ومني بحاجة للمسكنات, وأنا مش بحاجة للمسكنات. I'm not in need of painkillers, مسكنات. مسكن in the singular, مسكنات in the plural. حاجة means need, and that's a noun. حاجة.
جاوب على الأسئلة التالية. Answer the following questions. كيف صحة كريم هلأ؟ ليش صار كريم أحسن؟ How's Kareem's health now? And why is Kareem better now? Complete the sentence with an example of your own or from the previous text. عم اتجنب. مني بحاجة ل. I'm avoiding. I'm not in need of. شكراً للمتابعة. Thank you for watching. You can now learn Lebanese with me anytime, anywhere via your mobile app or PC or laptop. You can join my courses directly on the blog for a one-off affordable fee and no recurring subscriptions. Get a multitude of resources. Over 70 eBooks are waiting for you to download. You can purchase a course individually or all courses on the blog for a one discounted fee. Get lifetime access, and that means no monthly bills and also no ads. Exclusive video tutorials, over 800 minutes of learning Lebanese content. That's like over 13 hours. One-click ebook downloads worth over £200. Your own library for learning Lebanese. Everything is in English translation and transliteration as well as Arabic text. Really easy for you to learn. Best service as voted by learners so far is my online direct support or chat. Talk to me anytime, any day. And I will make sure to reply to your comment and engage and give you personalized feedback to accelerate your learning. This is normally a paid monthly subscription service, and you'll get it as a free bonus for 12 months when you enroll in the courses. Learners who use this service see a remarkable improvement in their fluency. No silly TikToking or pointless vlogging, just professional lessons and support. I know just what you need to learn Lebanese, and no silly marketing hacks and spam emails. I promise, I hate spam too. Flexible learning, anytime, anywhere, and exclusive freebie contents and bonuses and giveaways from my best-selling paid courses and books. For more information and to get this unbeatable offer, visit www.learningarabicwithangela.com/Levantine-spoken-Arabic.